Let's learn the vertex slide. If you want to take the full course, go to my website. To get started, let's take our vertex slide. Actually, let's select all, get our extrude region, and extrude it up a little bit, then get our vertex edge slide. And now we can grab that vertex and slide that vertex doll up and down. Either way you want to go, it'll just slide and lock to the edges. But what I like to do is just have my selection tool and then just hit GG, and that'll do the exact same thing, but way quicker. So if you have regular G, it just grabs it. But if you hit GG, it's going to lock it. Get the difference? I'm sure you do. Another cool thing is you can use snapping with vertex slides. So you can turn on your magnet, do vertex, and then when you hover over, it will actually magnetize to the vertex, hit A, and then hover over another one, hit A again, and then it'll give you the center point of those two vertex. Now you've got kind of like the approximation of both. Pretty nerdy, but pretty cool. If you like that, then you're going to love the next one, which is the shrink and fatten. So make sure to subscribe. If you want to learn every single tool inside of Blender for 3D printing, make sure to go over to the website and learn with us. See you there.